Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add music to your live streams in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you're in OBS, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see the Sources panel. This is where you'll be adding your music as a new source. Click on the plus icon in the Sources section, and from the menu that appears, select Media Source. This option allows you to add any audio or video file directly into your stream. After selecting Media Source, a window will pop up asking you to name your source. Go ahead and enter a descriptive name. For instance, you can type music. This helps you identify the source later if you have multiple audio files. Once you've named it, click OK to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see the Properties window for your media source. On the right side of this window, you'll notice a Browse button. Click on it to open your computer's File Explorer. From here, browse through your computer files until you find the song you want to add to your live stream. Once you've located the track, click on it to select it, then click Open to load it into OBS. Here's where you can customize how your music plays during your stream. If you want your music to continuously loop throughout your live stream instead of playing just once, look for the loop option in the Properties window. You'll see a checkbox beside it. Click on this checkbox to enable looping, which ensures your music keeps playing without interruption. After you've made your selection, click OK to save your settings and close the Media Source Properties window. Now comes the important part, testing whether your music is actually working and audible in your stream. Look at the Audio Mixer section in OBS and locate the gear icon below it. Click on this gear icon to open up the Advanced Audio Properties. This is where you'll configure how your audio sources are monitored and outputted. In the Advanced Audio Properties window, navigate to the media source you just added. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu under the Audio Monitoring column. Click on this drop-down menu and select Monitor and Output. This setting is crucial because it allows you to both hear the music yourself and ensure it's being sent to your live stream. Without this setting, the music might not be audible to your viewers even though you can see the audio levels moving. Finally, click Close at the bottom right corner of the Advanced Audio Properties window to save all your changes. Your music is now successfully added to your OBS setup and will play during your live streams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.